A rare opportunity for your own private paradise in Wilsonville, ideally nestled between Memorial Park and the Willamette River. Situated near the end of a no-outlet street, it's an enchanting setting where a wide front porch and tranquil water feature welcome you home. Inside, discover a flowing floor plan with a cozy fireplace, wall-length bay windows, an inviting interior for family gatherings or entertaining. The private dining nook has direct access to the covered deck, ready for your barbecue. The thoughtfully updated gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with a gorgeous island, high-end appliances, peaceful views, a built-in refrigerator, and custom cabinetry. It opens to the family room, complete with a wet bar and wine fridge. From here, head outside to the expansive backyard with an outdoor fireplace, hot tub, patio, and decks. A half bath and a huge utility room complete this main level. Upstairs, you'll find two separate primary suites, including one with a Juliet balcony. This spa-like bath features a dual sink vanity, large shower, a separate soaking tub, and a spacious walk-in closet. The second primary suite includes a deck and an exterior entry, plus a well-appointed full bath and a walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,800 square feet has two additional bedrooms and a third full bath. Take in the serene views while unwinding in the hot tub. Or entertain on the expansive deck overlooking the creek. You'll also find plenty of space for RV parking. As relaxing as a resort, yet it's located near Wilsonville's many amenities. The privacy, location, and quality of this home are truly a rare combination. It's all here on Rose Lane and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Jeff Wiren with Premier Property Group at 503-869-3513.